Good morning. So we are here. This is 312, beautiful townhome. These are your neighbors, well, the neighboring homes. So it's a nice cul-de-sac. You get 2 spaces plus the garage. And now we go in. Okay, so we're gonna check out real quick the powder room. The tiles are really nice. Okay, it looks like the paint, it's good. Everything looks good. It's a little bit of cleanliness or touch up here. That's me. The toilet, the light is original, but it's working just fine. That is the laundry closet. Okay, you have tile throughout, washer dryer, which are included in the sale. Here is the 1-car garage. It does not have a garage door, but it's a 1-car garage with tile. I can't figure out. Oh, there's the light. Okay, so you have your water heater, you have your AC over there, and they're using it as a storage, not necessarily as an actual garage. There are some blemishes here from some sort of fixture there that needs to be patched. It looks like they did some work here, and it was retextured, I think, this whole thing. But that is just my opinion. You will find out in the inspection more about that if there's something going on, which I don't think. But here it is, back to the main area. You have a coat closet, or a vacuum closet, because we didn't use coats here. So we keep going. Here's the kitchen. A lot of cabinet space. You have your countertops. Looks neat. It looks good. This is an older appliance, so you have that there. You have a nice window to look at the front. Now we go to the dining room area. The paint is good. You just need some touch-ups on the baseboards. Here's the living room. Okay, you have nice high ceilings. I would say this is between 8.5 feet and 9. You have these rounded corners here, which is always an upgrade, as you know. Here's the principal bedroom with access to the pool area. Okay, these are original doors. Okay, you have something there to stop it from opening. By the looks of it, the blinds will need to be replaced, just because you have like this huge thread, but it's totally up to you if you want to be using this door. Here we have the closet. It's not a huge closet, okay, but it's a walk-in, walk-out closet. We continue tiles throughout the entire first floor. Here you have different tiles, but they look good. Not too much of an interruption because they're in the same color palette in a way. Oh, I thought this was broken, but it's the way it is. Okay. You have your dual sinks. One of the things I like to check is here. It's looking good, no water damage. Just normal wear and tear. We are looking at a home from the 90s. I believe it's 1996. Don't quote me on it, please. And that is the light fixture, the mirror. You have the throne there. And this is, wow, nice, okay. This is a nice size shower with a built-in sink there. That is the light, which is working. It looks clean. It could use some touch up here. Well, they did some touch up and it was poorly done, but other than that, it looks good. Now we continue to the rest of the bedrooms. Okay, but before we go, this is your closet. So whenever you come and stay, you can leave your personal belongings here, and this closet has a lock, and the guests do not have access to this closet. Okay, now we go upstairs. You have a lot of nice natural light, and this is the other ensuite. Here's the bedroom. Here it has a blemish. I guess they pasted something with crazy glue, and when it came off, well, that's the result. And I mean, everything looks good. The home smells good, by the way. We have a one sink, and we have a tub. That's nice. Okay, real quick, that will need to be redone, which is normal maintenance. Okay, you have a toilet there, or the throne. This is the same shower as the one downstairs. Okay. Everything looks good. It looks clean. We have little blemishes here and there. I don't know if you're able to see it from the camera, but it's just paint from what I can see. And this is the closet. This is this is bigger than the one downstairs. Well, about the same size. Have a walk-in closet with access to the attic. It's not a fancy attic. It's probably 4 feet high, and we don't recommend to use it because it's really hot. Okay, so that's the closet. The entire upstairs is carpet. It looks in good condition. Again, blemishes here, normal wear and tear. Nothing major. That is the air handler. It looks good. There. We continue. This is bedroom number 3. Okay, it's a nice sized bedroom. It looks like they packed some stuff. A standard size closet, which is full of personal belongings. Now we go to bedroom number 4. Okay. So this bedroom, in my opinion, could have a third bed over there, but that's just my opinion. It's a nice reading area. All three bedrooms upstairs have a look of the pool. You have a nice built-in here, really cute for something decorative, flowers or something else. And here is the closet. This is a really nice closet. It's also a walk-in closet with nice natural light, so pretty awesome. The CDs do not come with the home. Nice music though. Okay, moving on. The last bathroom. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, it looks good. Everything is dry. No normal wear and tear. It's clean. Toilet. This one is shower. It's clean, really, really clean. I like that. Looks good. And all the light fixtures are original, so you may or may not decide to change it. That is a little blemish there from the curtain rod, but other than that, the home looks great. Fantastic. Let's buy it. Okay, so the moment you've been waiting for, okay? There's only a handful of townhomes. Pause. Again, another little blemish there. Nothing major. So the moment you were waiting for, just a handful of townhomes in this short-term area have a pool. And not just a hot tub called a pool, but a pool with a hot tub. Look at that. Nice. Bring your bathing suits. Take a dive. Let's not say that to the guests because they won't be able to take a dive. But it looks good. It's big. Okay, what do I see? You may want to pressure wash this, right? The door needs to be repaired here. You don't have the spring to open and automatically close. The pool itself looks in good condition. There are some stains here and there. There's another stain right there, small one. Let's see what else. All the screens look intact, so there's no tears. The major one, the ones I get concerned about are the one. Oh, well, I spoke too soon. There's one over there. It's very small tear, and that's over the pool. That will cost you between $180 to $200 at the most. You have an area here where you have the AC and the water pump. Okay, doesn't look appealing, but that can be fixed. It's just sand for whenever people panic in Florida. There's a hurricane, and well, we panic every year and we never get anything. At least not since Charlie in 2000. But yeah, well, 2002, 2003, I don't remember. The house looks great. You have an area to have breakfast or just chill here. Again, light fixtures are original, but the home looks fantastic. All right, that's it.